Welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEmyStyle, and today I am bringing you a video that I am co-hosting with a wonderful sister here on YouTube, and that is Sule from iStylEmyColours, and is the Spring Decor Coffee Table Challenge. Now, Sule hosts this challenge every season, and she asked a different person to be her co-host, and this year she chose me, and I am so excited. Thank you so much, Sule. And what we are to do is to style our coffee table in our home. We must use a tray, a floral, and something that represents spring to me. So you guys know I love modern with a touch of glam. And so I am using these very pretty, I guess they're peonies. It's a floral arrangement that I picked up from Ross. I love the chrome in the vase, and I am pairing that with this little crackled egg for Easter. That is the part that represents spring for me. Sorry guys, spring's around the corner, so are my allergies. So I'm using this beautiful tray that I picked up from Z Gallery about 5 years ago. So it's probably no longer available, but I absolutely love it. It's very big, as you can tell, in comparison to my coffee table. And I have also added this candle that smells so good. It's from Casa Luna. It's called Clarity, and I absolutely love the way it smells, and it does give you clarity. So this is my first coffee table styling. We had to create 2 looks. So this is the one that had Sule's requirements, and now let me show you mine. All right, so here is my version of the Spring Coffee Table Decor Challenge. Again, we are using the tray, and I decided for my items that I wanted you to use, you had to use something that was black and white and something that represented spring to you. So I have added my cute little black and white bunny. I picked him up from Home Goods last year. Absolutely love him. I actually used him to decorate my table last year. He is oh so cute. Just look at that little face. And then I love candles, so I have paired it with a smaller candle here. This also came from Home Goods, and it's Tranquil Lotus. I haven't burned it yet, but it smells oh so good. And of course, I need to have my candle accoutrement, so I have my candle snuffer, my wick trimmer, and my lighter. So they stay here on the table. And I wanted to switch it up and not use a floral. And I showed you guys these branches that I picked up from Amazon in a haul video when I first talked about this collab. And I absolutely love the way these look. Just look at the details on the leaves. They speak summer and spring to me. Absolutely love them. And while I was out shopping, I saw Target had a lot of clear vases. And guys, when I was out thrifting, I found this vase for $1. So I thought, why not? I picked it up, and I have paired it with a simple branch of greenery. and I absolutely love the simplicity and the modernness of this coffee table styling, and I hope you agree. So if you have enjoyed today's content, I would love it if you would give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will leave a link for Sule's channel down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. I know you guys are going to see some really great things, so make sure you go and check out everyone's video, give them a like, leave them a comment, and let them know that Sule and I sent you. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.